my kids. How are you all? Are you fine? Are you studying at home? I hope you all are studying well. So, see, we are sending you video. So, right? So, you have to study at home. So, please revise everything whatever your ma'am is teaching you. Okay? And you have to eat healthy. Stay away. Okay? Stay away. Don't go outside. If your mama and papa is going outside, tell them to put mask. Okay? And drink milk every day. You will be strong. Okay? Okay. Now see. Every day we are studying, right? So today I am going to do some activity. Okay? We are going to do some activity. Every time studying is also boring, right? So I am going to do some activity. Today is activity time. You have to do at home. Take help of your mama and do this activity, okay, at home. Today is activity time. Okay? Now see. Okay, now I would like to ask something. Do you know what is my name? I am your Indira ma'am. What is my name? I am your Indira ma'am. Okay. Now see, before starting this activity, let's do a hands up, hands down, up, down, up, down, clap, clap, jump, turn around, clap, hands up, hands down. Okay, now let's start my activity. Okay, see, take one paper. Okay, don't take paper. Okay, I hope you have drawing notebook, right? So you have to do in your drawing notebook. That will be your activity books. Okay, you will be having your drawing book, right? Like this plain notebook you have, right? That will be your activity book. Okay, activity notebook which you have to maintain for your activity time. See, whenever ma'am will be doing activities, you have to do in that drawing book. You will not do it paper. Okay, you will be doing in your drawing notebook. Okay, I hope you have your drawing notebook. Yes, so maintain drawing notebook. Okay, drawing copy. Okay, so that whatever ma'am will teach you activity, you have to practice there, so that it will be revised for you. Okay, don't do activity in paper. You have to maintain different notebook for your activities book. Okay, you have to maintain one notebook for your activity. That is called drawing book. Okay, I hope you have, yes, your plain drawing book. You have to use plain drawing book for activities. Okay, now see, this is my plain notebook. Okay, plain paper. Okay, here I am going to do some activity. Okay, here I am going to do some activity. See, what is this? What is this? Which fruit is this? This is? Which fruit is this? This is pineapple. Which fruit is this? This is pineapple. See, for upper part you have to cut like this. Okay, you have to cut like this. For upper part you have to cut like this, okay? And this is your paper. See, see, now I am going to do activities. Okay, now see here, I am going to do here activities. Okay, we are going to make a thumbprint or fingerprint. Okay, use your finger. Okay, fingerprint to make a pineapple. Okay, with the help of finger we are going to make a pineapple. Okay, with the help of finger we are going to make a pineapple. We will do fingerprint. Okay, with the help of finger we are going to make here pineapple. Okay, see, this is my gum. See, I am going to paste this one here. Yes, I am going to paste this one here. See how to make a pineapple with the help of fingers. Okay, how to make a pineapple with the help of finger. This is called activities. Okay, which you have to do activity in your drawing notebook. Okay, see, now this is done. This is done, right? Now see, I am going to make a pineapple. Okay, I am going to make a pineapple with the help of fingers. Okay, now see, take help of color. Take a help of color and make a pineapple. Okay, take a help of color. Take a help of color. Okay, pineapple is which color? Yellow color. Pineapple is which color? Yellow color. Pineapple is which color? Yellow color. So you will make here pineapple with the help of finger. With the help of finger. Okay. See, this is color. You have to dip your finger. See, dip your finger and make a pineapple. See, dip your finger and make a pineapple. See how to make a pineapple. Dot, 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 dot. Nothing we have to do, just dot, dot. Okay. See. See, we are making pineapple with the help of color and fingers. This is called activity you have to do at home with fingers and color. Okay, see. Now again make dot, 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 dot. See, with the help of finger. Okay. See. See how to make a pineapple. See. See, this is which color? Yellow color. See, make a like this. Okay. See, make a dot. Make a dot. See, this is, what is this? This is pineapple. 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 See, with the help of finger, we have to drop here and Make a fingerprint. This is what you have made? Pineapple. You can try this activity at home, okay, with the help of finger and color. With the help of finger and color, you can do this activity. Make a pineapple. Okay, make a pineapple. So clap your hands. Wow, you have to try. Okay, this is your activity time. This is your activity time. See, you have made a pineapple, right? You have made a pineapple? Yes, right? Okay, now finish. Okay, now we are going to do another activities, okay? We are going to do another activities, okay? Your pineapple activity is finished. Now we are going to do a next activity, okay? See, what is this? What is this? What is this? This is butterfly. What is this? This is butterfly. What is this? This is butterfly. Now we are going to do a activity with the help of cut out onion, okay, with the help of onion. See, we are going to paste here, okay, we are going to do activity with the help of onion. You have onion at home, right? This is onion, so you will do these activities, okay? We'll decorate this beautiful butterfly. Okay, what is this? This is butterfly. What is this? This is butterfly. What is this? This is butterfly. Now see, we have to make a butterfly here. Okay, see how Matt will make a butterfly. You have to make a butterfly here. You have to make a butterfly in your drawing notebook. Okay, you have to make a butterfly in your drawing notebook. So I am making here to show you. Okay, we'll decorate this butterfly with the help of, what is this? Pyaj, onion. With the help of onion and color, we are going to decorate this butterfly. Okay, see, I am going to make a butterfly here. Okay, same butterfly I am going to make here. Okay, see, this is butterfly. What is this? This is butterfly. Now we are going to do this butterfly activities. Okay, this is also butterfly. What is this? This is butterfly. Butterfly is insect. Butterfly is insect. So we are going to decorate this butterfly with the help of onion. Onion, pyaj. Okay, this is called onion. See, what is this? This is onion. We have to cut the onion in two pieces. This is onion. What is this? This is onion. We have to cut the onion into two pieces. Okay, then we'll do activity with the help of onion and color. Okay, now see here. See here, we are going to do activities. Okay, see, we have to take any color, okay, your favorite colors. I am taking red color, okay, you can take any color, okay. See, I am taking red color, okay. See what you have to do. This is red color. I am taking red color, okay. Which color I am taking? I am taking red color, okay. So now see here. This is butterfly, okay. What is this? This is butterfly. So now we are going to do activities, okay. We are going to do activity, okay. See, this is color, okay, and this is onion. You have to cut onion like this and put it here, okay. You have to put it like this. You can use lady finger also, okay. If you have lady finger, you can use. You have to cut the lady finger and then paste, okay. See, now I am going to decorate the butterfly, okay. Now see, with the help of onion, see, you can, with the help of onion, you can decorate the butterfly, okay. See, you have to drop like this again and then paste. See, in this way you can decorate the butterfly, okay. See, we need to decorate the butterfly. See, so pretty, right? In this way you will decorate this butterfly, okay, with the help of onion. With the help of onion, you can decorate the butterfly. This is called activity which you can do at home, okay, okay. Now this one is finished. Now next activity. See, I have done 3 activities and now 2 activities. One is pineapple. See, one is pineapple. See, you can try this both activity at home, okay. See, butterfly with the help of onion. We have decorated this butterfly with the help of onion, and we have decorated this watermelon with the help of fingers and color. Yes, you don't need nothing, just need color and onion, pyaj, onion. You can make a butterfly. And this one, what is this? This is pineapple. What is this? This is pineapple. What is this? This is pineapple, okay, and this is butterfly, okay. Next, we are going to see. I have taken one, okay. You can try this both fingerprint and onion print, okay. This is onion pasting. You can try this activity at home, okay. Thank you.